2024 1500 Longhorn Ram, 2024 1500. We ended up installing the alarm system. It didn't have a factory alarm, so we couldn't do any factory alarm upgrade to it. I don't know why this truck did not come with a factory alarm system. Very weird. But yeah, we had to end up flashing the module, downloading the firmware that belongs to the vehicle. And everything is integrated with the factory remote control. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to hit lock. That puts my alarm on in the background. And then when I hit this arm, it turns off the alarm. Okay, if the truck is locked and you hit it, this one did not come with remote start from factory, but when I add my system, the remote start is included. I'm gonna go hit lock 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and that will start the truck. Okay, and then what you do is just hit unlock, open the door, jump in and go. Okay, then to turn it off, the same procedure. If you decide not to do anything or go anywhere, you press this lock 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and that turns off the truck. Okay, I gave him the app on the phone that he can do everything from the phone to disarm it. You're gonna hit unlock here. Okay, turns off the alarm, rearm it. Okay, tells you the voltage of the battery there. It has GPS, so it tells you where the vehicle's at. He doesn't live in this facility, so I can show location for privacy settings and stuff like that. So it doesn't matter where he's located because he doesn't live here. I'm gonna go ahead and hold the remote start button down. That will crank the truck up. Okay, I'll tell you 30-minute run time. If you fall asleep and you decide not to go anywhere, or you simply have the truck at a yard because you drive a semi-truck and you left it at the yard and you want to remote start it, you know, once in a while because you're gone for a whole week or whatever, you can do that. And then it will just run after 30 minutes, it will just shut off. If you want to shut it off any sooner, you can just press this button to shut it off. Or when you open the door and you push the foot in the brake, my system shuts off. The truck stays running because it's on the on position, and then when you drive to your next destination and you turn off the truck will turn off. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off here. Okay, and then for the alerts, I'm gonna go ahead and trigger the alarm. Okay, if anybody opens the door, it's gonna fire off. Of course, if you bang on the window, it's gonna set off the alarm and send you an alert to your phone.